The 2025 BMW 7 Series has arrived with a stunning redesign that redefines what a modern luxury sedan should look and feel like. Now bolder and more technologically advanced than ever, the latest 7 Series reflects BMW's relentless push toward innovation, elegance, and electrification. Recently unveiled in Munich, this flagship model embraces a more commanding road presence with a taller front end, sleeker body lines, and a sophisticated new grille design. Gone are the more conservative cues of previous generations. This 7 Series is all about making a bold, unmistakable statement. At the front, the 2025 7 Series introduces split-level LED headlights, with sleek daytime running lights up top and the main beams housed below, giving it a futuristic and upscale appearance. The massive kidney grille is illuminated, emphasizing the car's luxury status, while the smooth sculpting of the hood and front fascia enhances its aerodynamic character. From the side, the long wheelbase and strong shoulder lines stretch across the body, providing an elegant yet powerful look. Flush door handles and subtle chrome accents further add to the refined aesthetic that loyal BMW customers will appreciate. The rear of the sedan features thin, wraparound LED taillights connected by a light bar, enhancing the sense of width and sophistication. A clean bumper design and hidden exhaust tips contribute to a more minimalist and modern appearance. Step inside, and the transformation continues with one of BMW's most luxurious cabins yet. A massive curved display houses both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen, while crystal elements, ambient lighting, and rich materials like merino leather and real wood trim define the interior's opulence. Rear passengers are treated to optional 31-inch theater screens, massage seats, and executive lounge seating. Under the hood, the 2025 7 Series offers a variety of powertrains, including traditional gasoline engines, plug-in hybrid options, and fully electric variants under the i7 badge. The plug-in hybrid model combines a turbocharged inline-6 engine with an electric motor to produce around 483 horsepower, while the all-electric i7 delivers up to 536 horsepower, with a driving range of over 300 miles. These models ensure that performance and efficiency go hand in hand, catering to both traditional luxury buyers and eco-conscious drivers. Adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering come standard, giving the 7 Series a smooth and agile ride despite its size. BMW is expected to launch the 2025 7 Series lineup globally by the end of this year, with deliveries starting soon after. The base price is anticipated to start around $95,000, depending on the trim and powertrain option selected. With its bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and focus on electrified luxury, the new 7 Series is setting a high bar for flagship sedans and is sure to appeal to those who demand sophistication, innovation, and driving pleasure in one remarkable package.